Hey guys, here are 8 signs you have the world's rarest personality type. Number 1. You're an extroverted introvert. People who know you would probably describe you as warm, engaging, and good with people. You can be the life of the party when you need to be. But after a few hours of socializing, you feel completely drained. You need to retreat into your own world to recharge. This is the classic INFJ paradox. They are social chameleons who can blend into any situation, but their inner world is where they draw their energy from. Number 2. You're a perfectionist with a purpose. You have incredibly high standards for yourself and for the work you do. You're driven, organized, and you have a clear vision of how things should be. But you're not just a nitpicky perfectionist. Your drive is fueled by a deep sense of idealism and a desire to make the world a better place. An INFJ's perfectionism isn't about control, it's about purpose. They see the world not just as it is, but as it could be. Number 3, you're a human lie detector. You meet someone new and you get a vibe from them. You can't explain it, but you just know if they're being genuine or not. Your friends think you're psychic. It's not magic. It's your brain's highly tuned pattern recognition software working overtime. INFJs have an uncanny ability to read micro-expressions, tone of voice, and body language. Their primary cognitive function, introverted intuition, is constantly absorbing data and piecing it together to understand the deeper motivations of other people. Number 4, you're an emotional sponge. Your friend is telling you about their bad day. You listen intently, trying to help them feel better. But when the conversation is over, you feel completely exhausted and sad, as if their bad day actually happened to you. This is because INFJs don't just understand emotions, they absorb them. Your empathy is so strong that you can literally feel what other people are feeling. Number 5, you've mastered the door slam. Someone you trusted and let into your inner circle betrays you on a fundamental level, so you don't just get mad or argue, you delete them. You cut them out of your life so completely and decisively that it's as if they never existed. This is the infamous INFJ door slam. It's not an act of anger, it's a cold, logical self-preservation mechanism. When an INFJ is deeply hurt, they don't fight back. They build a permanent wall. Number 6, you're allergic to small talk. You're at a party, and someone tries to start a conversation about the weather or their weekend plans. You feel your soul slowly leaving your body. You're not trying to be rude, but you are physically pained by superficial conversation. INFJs crave depth. Small talk feels like a complete waste of energy because it doesn't lead to a real, meaningful connection. Number 7, you're a future teller. You're in a meeting at work and everyone is focused on the immediate problem, but your mind is already 10 steps ahead, seeing the long-term consequences and patterns that no one else is picking up on. This isn't psychic ability. It's your intuition processing information in the background. You have a knack for seeing the big picture and predicting future outcomes based on current trends. Number 8, you're the advocate who has no one to fight for them. People are naturally drawn to you for advice. You find yourself fighting for your friends and advocating for your family. You are a fierce and loyal champion for the people you care about. But you rarely let anyone fight for you. You carry the weight of everyone else's problems while keeping your own locked away. This is the burden of the advocate. They are natural counselors who feel a deep-seated need to help and protect others, but they are fiercely private about their own vulnerabilities. They build a fortress to protect everyone else, but they often feel like they're the only one on guard duty. It's because they understand the weight of a battle better than anyone, and they don't want to burden others with their own. So if you see yourself in these signs, welcome to the club. It's a small one, but it's full of passionate, insightful, and slightly contradictory people. You're not weird, you just have a rare and complex personality. If you enjoy videos like this, hit subscribe for more. Catch you next time.